I sprint.
I sprint?
Everybody was like, I sprint hai kya?
Just something that can make Karachi great again.
Co-powered by Gen Zs.
Hi everyone, I'm Aisha and I'm from Might University and I'm the Vice President of Sports Society. So I thought why not to use my expertise to change the game of Karachi.
Hi, I am Amar, President of Leadership Society. जब लीडरशिप स्किल्स की बात हो ही रही है तो why not lead Karachi with iSprint?
Hi everyone, my name is Abdullah and I'm from IBA. I am that Gen Z who wants to take part in everything that comes my way, which is why I'm here today in order to make Karachi great again through iSprint.
Hi, I'm Hassan and I am from Habib University. I am a vice president of a chess club. But my biggest project yet, ये शहर. चलो खेल शुरू कराते हैं.
They are going to be the anchor person of not just this vlog but the iSprint challenge as well. So we identified these 7 young talented minds to put forward the idea of iSprint among the youngsters of universities and beyond. Our agenda with this challenge is not just to talk about Karachi's problem but to work towards the real change. क्योंकि हालात बदलने के लिए हमें खुद बदलना होगा. अब बात होगी फ्यूचर की, जो कि हमारा फ्यूचर होगा.
And we are the future. Hello guys, welcome to our vlog. And today's GMT will be your anchor. And I'll be taking you through everything. So let's go and see what Amar is doing. Hi Amar.
Hello everyone. So we have settled down all the games and everything. Now we are waiting कि audience आए और मजे के games खेलें.
Actually, this space over here is to get to know about what is iSprint about.
I guess मुझे लगता है Gen Z को पता होना चाहिए ना that we are coming with iSprint, make Karachi great again वाला scene है bro.
You might have heard that saying. कराची तो सबका है, लेकिन कराची का कोई नहीं. But we Gen Zs are going to change that narrative.
When we move here, we have some amazing games over here. Gen Z को भी तो hook करना है. IBEX आ रहा है iSprint के साथ, make Karachi great again.
पर चैलेंज क्या है यार?
और प्राइस उसका कौन बताएगा?
Guys, stay with us for that.
This booth right here is for you to click your incense. आखिर नया feature आया, we gotta use it. This is the place, the only way to let people know that IBEX was here. So you guys can come over here and talk about the problems of Karachi and give your solutions.
लो गाइस, कैसी एनर्जी है आप सबकी? कराची वाले हैं तो एनर्जी भी तो कराची वालों जैसी ही होगी. तो हसन, कैसी प्रिपरेशन है आई स्प्रिंट की? तुम अप्लाई कर रहे हो उसमें?
हाँ, मैं डेफिनेटली पार्टिसिपेट कर रहा हूँ. अब मुझे मौका मिल रहा है तो मैं पार्टिसिपेट करूँगा. कराची को कुछ तो बेहतर करना होगा. एज अ जेन ज़ी, आई थिंक दिस इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट सिचुएशन और जिसके अंदर पार्टिसिपेट करना चाहता हूँ.
बकराईद आ रही है, अब तुम्हें तो पता ही है बकराईद में कराची की रोडों का क्या हाल होता है. वैसे हिंट मैंने शायद आपको दे दी है, अब बेहतर आप खुद जानते हैं जनाब. वो तो ठीक है, लेकिन ये हो कैसे रहा है? क्या है इसके पीछे का प्लॉट ट्विस्ट? हाउ वी विल बी एक्चुअली मेकिंग कराची ग्रेट अगेन? यही तो सबका सवाल था.
And then फिर हमने बताया it's actually a challenge जो ना सिर्फ कराची के हालात बदलेगा but yours too.
मतलब?
And there is prize money involved too, which is 1 million PKR. Oh.
But everybody was literally shocked. More like excited hearing that.
तो कितने आईफोन्स आ सकते हैं?
What?
हाँ, और जीतने वाला तो यही कहेगा ना, हम पैसे वालों के लिए महंगा क्या और सस्ता क्या, जिस चीज पे दिल आ जाए वो खरीद ली.
मैं नहीं जानता इस लड़की को.
Embarrassed check.
And then we explained to them about the drill.
So there will be some teams who will select from the East University, and all you have to do is solve a problem of Karachi. And if you do that and if you qualify through the rounds, then you can win 1 million.
अब्दुल्ला, एक काम करते हैं, सीन्स को और मजीद फन करने के लिए ना हम एक नया कोई गेम टाइप कुछ प्लान करते हैं. क्या होना चाहिए कुछ बताओ?
देखो हम we can go up to people and ask them how to make Karachi great again.
That would be great. और उसके बाद हम iSprint की शर्ट भी तो दे सकते हैं उन्हें as a gift.
Best words. Okay, Bilal, I need you to complete the sentence. We can make Karachi great again by
improving the infrastructure of the city. Thanks.
We can make a Karachi great again by being a good citizen. Thank you.
By working on what's actually necessary rather than the things that are more for the community of the elites. Thank you.
Bro, उठो, अभी थकना नहीं है. We have to make Karachi great again.
Now I'm going to do the second round because बाकी सब busy हो गए हैं. And this round I'm going to ask, who am I without my Karachis? Who am I without my Karachis?
chai.
ए लड़के बेहतरीन. Who am I without my Karachis?
बिरयानी.
ये लो, ये मैं की बिरयानी खाना. Who am I without my Karachis?
Community?
It's perfect. There you go.
Finally.
we are off for the day. Hi guys, now we are back at Ibex.
So now let's go to the mezzanine floor, guys.
Let's go. And with that note, we would like to end this video. हमारे साथ बने रहने के लिए शुक्रिया.
इसी एनर्जी के साथ मिलेंगे नेक्स्ट ब्लॉग में. टूडल्स.